How do you use Prime? To make use of the Prime service, you need to download the MyProximus app. Log in with your account and have an administrator's profile. Have you not done this yet? Check out this website to see how you can do it. When you wish to contact us, just tap the Prime button. The first time you log in, you see a message explaining the Prime service in a few words. You can make a new request by tapping this option in the menu. You enter a chat session and are welcomed by the Proximus virtual assistant. It will help you by showing you the frequently asked questions, start a conversation with you, or guide you to make your own changes in the MyProximus app. You can also contact a business expert directly. If you choose to contact a business expert through one of the three possibilities, a request will automatically be created. The system will search for an available business expert via chat or via call. In case of a call, you need to confirm that you wish to talk to a business expert. Your phone's interface will then be opened to start the conversation. In case you ask to be called back, a callback will be created automatically. At the end of your conversation, you will be redirected to the list of your requests. Your last request will immediately be visible in this section. To follow up on your requests, you can make use of the menu Prime, Follow up of My Requests, the menu MyProximus, My Requests. For every new request, you will receive a text message for confirmation. By tapping one of your requests, you will see all the details, such as the type, the date of creation, the assigned contact, the reference, and the steps that have already been taken. For more info, go to proximus.be/prime.